The wait is over. The groundbreaking text-to-video and image-to-video features are finally here in the Virbo AI Video Generator, ready to revolutionize how you create content. Let me show you how it works. To get started, head over to the Virbo web app using the link in the description. Remember, new users get 2 minutes of free credits to explore the features. Once you're on the Virbo homepage, you'll notice the fresh, updated interface that's sleek and easy to navigate. Right at the top, you'll see Virbo's key AI features. Hover over Avatar Video, then click Create Video. Select your desired aspect ratio and hit Create Video to open the updated Virbo editing suite. Here's where the magic begins. On the left, you'll find a range of essential tabs, such as templates, avatars, backgrounds, text, stickers, music, and the Import tab. But the real game changer? The new AI Generation tab. This tab unlocks two powerful tools, AI Video and AI Audio. The AI Video feature lets you generate videos using just text prompts. Type what you envision, whether it's a dreamy landscape, a professional set, or something totally out of the box, and watch it come to life in seconds. If you want to turn your image into a video, simply upload an image and type in the prompt what you want to turn your image into. And hit generate. And within few moments, you will have your AI video. The image to video feature is perfect for creating personalized content, all in a few clicks. But don't overlook the AI audio tool. If you want custom music, sound effects, or even a catchy jingle, just type in your prompt, and Virbo's AI audio will generate it for you. That's how you can get stunning video crafted from just your imagination and a few prompts. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, like this video and hit that subscribe button. Because who knows what new features we will unlock next. See you in the next video.